everyone. In today's video, I'm going to use some little foam stamps to, they're called foam dabbers, but I just kind of use them as stamps to do some designs. So there's 3 different sizes, which is really nice. And what I wanted to do, they're a little misshapen, but for the most part, they are circle. With one of my pages, I want to do a mix of all 3 and do just kind of like a little bubble design almost on them with them overlapping and layering. So I'm going to do just a few different pages with a few different colors. I have white, black, and gold. For this one, I definitely think I'm going to use the white and the gold, but these I'll probably use all 3, or at least on one of them. But I'm going to start off by just kind of dabbing this, and you can see just a nice smooth design. And I'm just going to start doing this over the page, and then like I said, I want to kind of let it dry and then overlap some and just get a nice fun pattern going. Okay, I'm going to set this one aside to dry for just a little bit. I might grab my hair dryer because I want to use the next size down and do either some black or some gold. But I want to try this one. This color's just so pretty. I mixed a whole bunch of different colors on this background when I made it, and it's just a really nice color of a bluish green and beige. And I'm just going to do some of that. All right, so that one turned out really nice. I might actually just do the edges here and just get that filled in. But yeah, really easy way to make a really fun, simple pattern. So I'm going to do my small one, and definitely going to do some gold. And then I'll probably grab my hair dryer and dry my first one. All right, so man, that makes really quick, really easy. With that last one, I'm just gonna rinse that out so that I can just let it dry and keep reusing them. But let's see this one. I'm just gonna grab my hair dryer and dry it a little bit, and then keep going with some other layers. Actually, I might just let it all blend a little bit. But I want to do, I'm going to take some of the black, and I'm going to do the kind of medium size one, and I'm just gonna go, oh, that's fun. Okay. I think that'll be fine. All right, so nice little overlapping design. You can still see some of the book page underneath. I really like that, but that is really fun. So you can definitely let your paint dry and do all sorts of layers with your texture techniques or stamp making tools that you're using. But I do also like going off of the edge and what kind of look that gives the overall page too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super easy way to make some more designs, just a little foam stamp. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.